Many massage therapists will come to me complaining that their hands hurt. And over the years, I developed an analogy where I tell them that they're boxers. They have a jab and an uppercut, and they come in complaining about the compression on their wrists and their hands hurting. The work that I practice is a little bit more akin to the Ultimate Fighting Championship. It's a little bit more akin to a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu because I save my hands by using my knees and using other parts of my body to deliver pressure. What this means is I give deeper, broader compressions to Kristen, but I'm saving my hands, even if it's just a portion of what I do on a table. Is that too much on your foot there, Kristen? Okay. If I give you some pressure right there, how's that? Okay. I'm going to come into the calf with my hands just to feel what's going on. The knee pressure there on the foot's fine. Okay. She's got a little bit of tension right here, so then I'm going to come in with a forearm at the same time. How's this? Too much? What if I back off and just give you some good there? There we go. Now, if I decide that I want to come off of that, and let's say I do want some broader pressure, if I come in from the side, Kristen, how's this right here? Is it too much? Okay, how about there? Is that good? There we go. And not too much? No. If I give you a little jostle? How's that? Edge? I'm not even working. Is it too much?
No, just edge.
If I give you more up, more down?
Up.
Up, that way?
Yes.
There we go. Being able to use your legs, knees, feet is going to really prolong your career. You can still do this on a table. You'll learn how to blend and mix and match this into your work. I'm really crafty at showing you different ways of accessing tissue and working on people to be able to maintain your body's integrity and save your hands. It's not that I don't use them, because I will come in and feel for tissue restrictions. And once I've found something, that's more likely when I would come in with deeper pressure to be able to deliver with my legs, knees, feet. That's why I say what I practice is more akin to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and I'm trying to teach a community, an industry of boxers.